Today we're going to do, welcome to our Advent dance tutorial. We're going to do a belly dance step today, and we're going to do the hip drop. One of my favourite moves, and we do it in Shake Shack Shock. We actually kind of learn it in Shake Shack Shock, but we're going to learn it even better now. So we're going to start off standing on our back leg. This is going to be free, so you're not standing on it at all. It's got freedom of movement. We're using our toe to steady ourselves. And in order for a hip to drop, we need to first take it up higher. So I'm standing on my side and you get to see what's going on a bit more with the hip. So we're going to take it up. To take it up, we are literally lifting it up by pushing the knee straighter. This is a theme in our routine, in our tutorials. You will have noticed as you straighten that knee, the hip comes up. As you lower it, as you bend your knee, your hip will drop. Okay, so we're going to rise it up by pushing up on the knee as hard as you can. And this time, with this styling, with belly dance, we do want to go as straight as we can. Keep our leg nice and straight, getting our hip as high as we can. So this one is straight, this one is high. So it's going up high, and then you're going to it's as if somebody has kicked you under your knee pit, as it were, and so you're going to lose all tension completely, really, really fast. And that is going to help you with the drop. Otherwise, is a hip up and down. If you just straighten and unstraighten the knee, then that is hip up and down, which is fine, but it's not a hip drop. Hip drop is much more sudden, it's a flopping down, and the emphasis is on the down, and it's very different from a hip lift. We're not doing that one today, it's harder, that one. So we go straighten to get in position, and then knee from under you. And as you do knee from under you, the hip automatically will drop. Straighten and down. Straighten and down. Now let's do the other leg. Okay, on our toe. Weight on your back leg, it should be bent. And now this one is going to straighten to take it high, and then knee from under you. Imagine what it's like. Literally, just stand like that, and then push your foot, push your back of your knee. You'll feel you won't want to stay like that. Okay, so we're going to go straighten and drop, straighten and drop. When I demonstrate this when we do say Shake Shack Shock, I will use the hands to lift and then let go like this. So you can see the difference in timing. So this is a slow, drawn out process, and the drop is literally letting go. And that's why I use those hands like that. We go down, 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 and down, down, down. Okay? And we could use hands up here, down, 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 down. Focusing on the down, otherwise it can become a bit muddy, whether you're just doing a hip up and down or you're doing an actual drop. But that's our belly dance.